Hey guys, so today we're checking out the Xiaoks Portable Blender, the one you might have seen all over your feed promising fresh smoothies anywhere, anytime. But is it actually worth your money or just another cheap gadget? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. The Xiaoks Portable Blender claims to be lightweight, USB rechargeable, and perfect for quick shakes on the go. On paper, it sounds super convenient. The product is listed online with a decent number of purchases, and from what I could find, people are saying it works fine for soft fruits and protein shakes. However, I couldn't find a Trustpilot page or any major third-party reviews that makes it a bit hard to confirm its long-term durability. Some buyers did mention it's not strong enough for hard ingredients like frozen fruit or ice, but for basic use, it seems to do the job. So, scam? Doesn't seem like it, but life changing device? Probably not either. If you manage expectations and use it for light blending, it could be a handy little tool. Just know it's more of a casual gadget, not a powerhouse blender. Have you tried the Sharks blender? Let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. See you in the next one.